Of all these errors, none is more erroneous and misleading than equating self with ego. This means we can no longer use the terms ego and self interchangeably, or fail to make an experiential distinction between them. By the same token, we cannot equate no self with no ego, or fail to distinguish between these two different events. What happens when we fail to make this distinction, or mistake the falling away of the ego for the falling away of the self, is a true no-self event becomes lost. It is lost because no self has been understood as something it is not. It is not the no-ego event. This is how the true end of the journey has become lost, by mistaking no ego for no self. In this passage, Bernadette highlights the difference between the loss of ego, or no ego, and the loss of self, or no self. Not only are they different, but no self is a stage beyond no ego. Using my terminology, the loss of ego occurs in partial enlightenment, whereas no self is a defining feature of full enlightenment. As Bernadette implies, you must avoid the mistake of equating no ego with no self. Otherwise, you will lose the true end of the journey.